We're here at Prestwood Motors in Buckinghamshire, setting up a new customer who's become a Carbon Clean Centre Plus. So we're going to train the guys and take a look around this workshop. We're here today to show their technicians how to correctly use the carbon cleaning machines, as well as how to perform a professional DPF clean with our DCS-17 machine.
I'm Embury, Director of Prestwood Motors. We've been established since 1968. I've been here since my apprenticeship 34 years ago. We do service, repairs, aircon, mainly diagnostics on the hybrids cars. We do hybrid servicing and repairs. We'd like to keep up to date with all what's going on out there. We've been doing a lot of DPF cleans. We've been sending them away to a place about an hour away, which is using our time. Decided to invest in a DPF cleaner. Heard about you through the website and recommendations. Found a few of the garages you supplied and they've all recommended us. So that's why we took the plunge to go with DPF so we can actually do it in-house. Decided to go with a carbon clean as well as a DPF to become a carbon clean centre. We've never done the carbon cleaning before, but again the reviews were excellent and a lot more extra revenue, especially on diesel cars that come through our service department. Today's training has been excellent, very professional. We had 4 guys here going through with our technicians all the different scenarios, showing us how to do it, going through it until they understood. Absolutely excellent, very professional. Becoming a carbon clean centre, we get all the benefits: Facebook, marketing support, leaflets, videos, absolutely excellent. Look forward to using it and making some money and keeping customers happy.